Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how to disable ad blocker in Chrome browser. So if you want to disable ad blocker in Chrome browser, so watch this video from start to end point. And if you are new in our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update. So first of all, you have to open your Chrome browser. After that, you have to click on these three dots on right top corner. After that, you have to click on settings button. Then you will see this type of interface. Now you have to scroll down and click on site settings. After that, you will see this type of interface. Now you have to scroll down and click on third party cookies. Okay, now you have to allow third party cookies option, okay, by clicking this. Then go back and again scroll down and click on pop-ups and redirects. Now you have to enable pop-ups and redirects option. After that, you have to click on intrusive ads. Okay, now you have to enable intrusive ads option. Okay, so by using this way you can block ad blocker on Chrome browser. So I hope so you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Goodbye.